Tyagarajar College of Engineering, where quality and ethics matters, and celebrates 60 plus years of academic excellence. And the college runs with the motto of duty is life. TCE aims at creating quality professionals to meet the emerging industrial and social needs through innovative teaching. And the vision is to provide the world class quality technical education with strong ethical values. And the mission is academic excellence in science, engineering, and technology through dedication to duty, commitment to research, innovation in learning, and faith in human values. It also enables the students to develop into outstanding professionals with high ethical standards capable of creating, developing, and managing global engineering enterprises. And it achieves through the team efforts, making TEC the socially diligent and trendsetter in technical education. And TEC has been ranked 64th by NIRF 2020. And the college has 21 courses, 240 faculties, 4,300 students, 7 patents with 90% placement record every year. And the college also has 55% of faculty with PhDs. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources on the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered at Tyagarajar College of Engineering are Bachelor of Architecture, Information Technology, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Civil Engineering, and Mechatronics. Of marks for TCE for various castes and for various departments are: for OC it is from 195 to 198, for BCM it is 191 to 196, for BC it is 195 to 197, for MBC it is 190 to 195, for SC it is 179 to 190. The facilities at TCE are: alumni. TCE Alumni Association is functioning at the institute and through its chapters spread across the country and worldwide. Alumni reunions is scheduled as Silver Jubilee reunions, Golden Jubilee, and other reunions for 10th year, 16th year, 20th year, 33rd year, 40th year, and 45th year. This reunion brings an opportunity for the students as many alumni are entrepreneurs. This paves way for the student recruitment and thus adds to college placement results. Sports. TCE encourages the students to participate in various sports and games in international, national, state, university, or district levels. Vision of the physical education is to make TCEs fit and healthy. Women Development Cell WDC will organize various programs to ensure that whatever possible the aspects of women development is promoted through these programs and a competent for women's development is introduced in all the activities. WDC would promote all round development of women employees or students of the institute through campus events, healthcare awareness, family care assistance, training for skill information, and etc. And the other facilities at TCE are indoor stadium, women's and men's hostel, space frame auditorium, faculty and student support center, club activities, international certifications, spoken tutorial project, and personality development camps. The placement at TCER and the statistics is listed in the screen. For the academic year 2012 to 2013, the number of students placed was 680 and the total number of offers were 894. From 2013 to 14, it was 607 and the total number of offers were 759. In 2014 to 15, 684 were placed and total number of offers were 784. In 2015 to 16, it was 730 and total number of offers were 1588. For the academic year 16-17, it was 652 students placed and total number of offers were 1117. And the main recruiters at TCE are Atmel, Amazon, MADA, Accenture, Arisent, BGR Energy, Ericsson, BrahMos, Consolidated Constructed Consortium Limited, Siddhar Vessels Limited, Cognizant, Deolite, HCL, Honeywell, HP, IBM, Ionotics, Infosys, JDA, L&T, L&T Infotech, Microsoft, National Instruments, Rani, Renault Nissan, Siemens, Sintel, Tefe, Tata Elski Limited, Tata Consultancy Services, Technip, Titan, Sundaram Fasteners Limited, TVS, Valio, Verizon, Wipro, Yahoo, ThoughtWorks, Zoho, and Wunic, and many more. Why TCE? TCS secured 64th rank in NIRF 2020. It has 90% placement every year, and the awards achieved are: a third year BE mechatronics student has won Tamil Nadu State Innovator Contest TNSI contest with a cash prize of 1 lakh rupees. And TCE's official karting club Yukta Racing wins GDKC 2020 championship. A pre-final year student has won gold medal in 3P Junior Women's Civilian event with new national record in 63rd National Shooting Championship in Bhopal. The college counseling code for TCE Tyagarajar College of Engineering is 5008. Contact college at 91452 2482240, 2482241, 2482242. And the website is www.tce.edu. The college is located at Thiruparangundram, Madurai district 625015.